Good morning from Williams Island Marina in Aventura, Florida. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 310 Sea Ray Sundancer 2012. New isinglass this year with U-zips. Fresh bottom paint. Great cockpit in this boat. That back seat will flip down flat. You'll be able to see that in the picture. Storage bins here on the aft locker. Nice cockpit carpet, good canvas. Entertainment center features a grill and a refrigerator. My home seat will swivel and reverse itself to face the cockpit, as well as do a leaning post option. New Garmin 7610 GPS map. One of the unique features on this boat is a bow thruster. Anybody can drive this like a pro. Digital throttle and shift, of course. VHF radio and a big depth finder. A new stereo with Bluetooth has also been added to the boat. Underwater lights, you got 5 of them. Not only the backs, you've got the sides. Pretty expansive for a 31-foot boat in here. Beautiful wood floors. A new, larger smart TV. Full galley with microwave, single burner, and refrigerator. And of course, the hallmark of every Sundancer is the big mid cabin. Nice sleeping area. There's my teak cockpit table, as well as the table for the inside. Head is vacuum flush, all fiberglass lined, port light. That concludes our tour of this boat.